Most goat farms don't fail because of goats. They fail because the farmer never thought this. If you're thinking about goats or you already have them, this video might save you years of frustration. It's all about good farm management. Drinking water system, small little shelter for pregnant does and little babies, big upraised shelter where the manure fall under to keep the goat from getting sick. They start with animals, not land. Goats are easy. Land management is where people fall apart. If you don't have a daily system, miss one day, goats forgave you. Miss a month, the farm collapses. So I'm getting ready to plant some type of new spring pasture for the goats over here. And of course you gotta have it fencing. Proper fencing is very important. Profit before rhythm. If you chase money before system, burnout always wins. Goats don't fail farmers, lack of system does. Again, I cannot stress the proper fencing, which is very, very important. Proper fencing, very, very important. Goes all the way down to the end. Everything I'm learning is documented at naturalnode.com. This is beautiful. Sunset. Ah, look at this little one. What's up, little guy? Beautiful day.